Stew without tomatoes or tomato paste. It was so good I thought to share. Hello Joyful Tribe, welcome back. To begin, you want to wash your long peppers. This is the pepper I'm using. You can also use red bell pepper to do this. Wash it, remove the seed, cut into pieces, add your onions, lots of onion, scotch bonnet as much as you can tolerate, and add into your cooking pot. What I want to do is cook this down to reasonably reduce the liquid in it. This method will also ensure a smooth and thick stew base. Cover and let it cook for 20 minutes on medium heat. Now for this stew, I'm using assorted meat. I'm using goat meat, cow tripe, and some snail. Add your seasoning, that was bay leaf, going with some onions. Add your grated garlic and ginger, your seasoning, curry, thyme, dry oregano, parsley. Cover and let this steam for 15 minutes without adding water. After 15 minutes, you'll see the meat sweat out some moisture. Stir, add a bit more water and allow to continue cooking. Now please mind you want to remove the snail once it is done so it does not overcook. At this time, I go back now, check on the pepper mix. Look at all that moisture. I'm going to drain and transfer into a blender. Blend until it is smooth. You don't want to add the liquid. Alright, so once this is smooth, set it aside. This was another 15 minutes later. I'm going to remove the snail now so it does not overcook. And this, once it is ready, you want to scoop it out, drain the stock, set it aside. We'll need it later. For the protein, go ahead and fry them lightly and set aside as well. After frying, transfer some of that oil into a pot. I'm straining it into another pot and then going with some onions. Add your seasoning as well. If you want to add any dry thyme, you can add it now. Fry for about 30 seconds and then add your blended pepper mix. From this point, you want to fry on medium-low heat until oil floats to the top. Check it with intervals as well so it doesn't burn. And this stew can splash a lot, so please be careful. With the cow tripe, I'll add it early enough so it soaks up the stew. After a while, the oil should float to the top like this. You also want to taste it to be sure it is ready. Then you're going to add your meat stock. Once you add your meat stock, at this point you can taste and adjust with seasoning if necessary. This was perfect, so I didn't add anything. If you're going to use some curry leaf, you're going to add it now. That also will be very delicious in this stew. Stir well to combine. I've added all the protein. Cover and allow to simmer for about 10 minutes on low heat. Come back, stir everything together, and our stew is ready. The aroma here was something else, nose blinding, and it was so good. I served over some rice and beans, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye.